Unexpected error while loading game files. Check for any data that may have been modified or corrupted from the initial install. This is a Helldivers 2 crashing corrupted files issue. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step-by-step fixes for Helldivers 2 error 0x44415441. 1. Verify integrity of game files. Open Steam Library. Right-click Helldivers 2 Properties Installed Files. Verify integrity of game files. This will re-download any missing or corrupted files. 2. Delete config and cache files. Navigate to C. Users App Data Local Arrowhead Helldivers 2. Delete the cache config files. 3. Reinstall anti-cheat. Go to Game Install folder. Steam Apps Common Helldivers 2 Easy Anti-Cheat. Run Easy Anti-Cheat Setup.exe. Choose Repair. 4. Update GPU drivers. NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience Update drivers. AMD, use Adrenalin software. Intel Arc, use Intel Driver and Support Assistant. 5. Run as administrator. Right-click Helldivers 2.exe Properties Compatibility check. Run this program as administrator. 6. Check for Windows updates. Press Win+I Update and Security Windows Update. Install latest updates. 7. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. Download and reinstall DirectX End-User Runtime. Visual C++ redistributables. 8. Full reinstall. Uninstall Helldivers 2 completely.